Top 7 Most Intelligent Animals. Ranking the intelligence of animals is a challenging task, as intelligence can be measured and demonstrated in various ways. Different species excel in different cognitive abilities. However, based on scientific research and observations, here are 7 animals often considered among the most intelligent. 1. Chimpanzees. Our closest living relatives, chimpanzees, exhibit remarkable problem-solving skills, tool use, and complex social behaviors. They can learn sign language and use tools for various purposes. 2. Dolphins. Dolphins are known for their sophisticated communication skills, social structures, and problem-solving abilities. They have demonstrated the ability to use tools and have a sense of self-awareness. 3. Elephants. Elephants are highly intelligent and emotionally complex animals. They exhibit problem-solving abilities, show empathy, and display intricate social behavior. 4. Octopuses. These cephalopods possess remarkable problem-solving skills and have demonstrated an ability to learn through observation. Octopuses are also known for their impressive camouflage and escape tactics. 5. Border Collies. Often considered the most intelligent dog breed, Border Collies are known for their exceptional obedience, agility, and ability to learn complex commands and tasks quickly. 6. Ravens and Crows. These corvids are known for their problem-solving skills and use of tools. They have demonstrated the ability to plan ahead and even use tools in novel ways. 7. Orangutans. Like chimpanzees, orangutans are highly intelligent great apes. They exhibit sophisticated problem-solving abilities and have been observed using tools in the wild. Honorable mentions include other primates like bonobos and gorillas, parrots, and various species of whales.